Greetings from the future explorers. With the cutting-edge 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, be ready to experience the freedom of the wide road. Because of its innovative design for each journey, this RV is more than simply a vehicle. It's a statement about life. Everything that has made Chevrolet renowned is on show, including the sleek, contemporary design, nighttime gliding, adjustable LED headlights, and aerodynamic technology that lowers wind and boosts economy. For these RVs, a variety of robust chassis options are available, including the Chevrolet Express van base and the modified Silverado HD. A range of robust and dependable engines power them. Because of its incredible power and towing capacity, the well-liked Ecotec 3 gasoline V8 engine provides an enjoyable ride on any terrain. The Duramax Turbo-Diesel V6 engine, on the other hand, combines exceptional performance and fuel economy to provide mobility at a fair price. Your attention is drawn to the dashboard's simple, driver-focused design right away. All of the important information is at your fingertips thanks to a huge infotainment touchscreen that doubles as the control center and a digital instrument panel that can be customized. You won't get lost because to wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, and integrated navigation. With premium materials, brushed chrome accents, and soothing ambient lighting for long flights, the ergonomic dashboard design offers a modern and inviting cockpit. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome's main cabin strikes the perfect mix between practicality and flair. When parked, the motorized slide-out gives the inside even more room and light. In addition to letting in natural light, large windows with imaginative drapes offer stunning views of your surroundings. This lounge room is ideal for partying or unwinding thanks to its luxurious leather sofa and movable captain's chairs. Two benefits of alternatives to durable luxury vinyl or hardwood flooring are comfort and ease of maintenance. The bedroom space is supposed to be a peaceful retreat after a day of touring. A good mattress and a cozy queen or king-size bed are necessary for a good night's sleep. There are side tables with reading lights and individual USB charging points on either side of the bed. The interior is kept immaculately, with built-in closets and roomy drawers that offer plenty of room for keeping all of your possessions. A calm ambience is created by windows with privacy curtains and soft lighting. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome's bathroom is evidence that luxurious travel doesn't have to come at the expense of comfort. The bathroom has a huge walk-in shower with enough water pressure, a porcelain toilet, a contemporary sink with high-end faucets, and an elegant design. Convenience is offered with a huge mirror with built-in lighting and inventive toiletry storage. It feels clean and sanitary due to the premium, easily cleaned materials. A chef's paradise is the kitchen. It has full-sized appliances, such as an induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a sizable electric refrigerator. The handcrafted cabinets offers plenty of storage for all of your goods and kitchenware, and the counters are composed of sturdy quartz. Even a dishwasher to make cleanup easy and a concealed espresso maker for your morning coffee are included.